everyone. I hope you and your loved ones are staying safe at home. And guys, it's a really special day because आज Craft House has turned 3. Yes, we have completed 3 years in our journey. और ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे कल ही तो मैंने अपनी जॉब छोड़ी थी just to follow my passion. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने जॉब enjoy नहीं किया. Of course, it was a very nice profile. It was a campus recruitment. I traveled across new places. I enjoyed with my team. But I realized that it was not my cup of tea. Yes. So I started off, coming up with my own venture. Because I truly believe, कि जब भी आप किसी को एक gift दे रहे हो, it's not just an object which you are giving. It has a feeling, it has an emotion which needs to be attached to it. So that's how I come up with the customized gifting solution, Craft House. So journey जो start की थी मैंने, it was in 2017, which brands से collaborate किया, started workshops, and then finally 3 सालों में we have more than 50 plus brands we have collaborated with. So Pepper Fry, Diddy's Burgers, Zoe's, It's a Bitsy, iCraft, Zat India, and trust me, the journey was really amazing. Getting to know, the craft business, the craft industry, the people around you. God, they are so creative. You get to learn so much, And then we started off delivering corporate orders, and we have delivered 1,000 plus orders so far, pan India. We started taking workshops because people were really, enthusiastic that you make it really nice. Why don't you take workshops? And because it acts as a stress buster. So we started taking workshop, on huge demand, and people really used to love that, especially when they see that how they've transformed a normal piece of paper or maybe just anything, a raw object, a waste product, and how they have transformed into a beautiful product. So it really acts as a stress buster for them. So we have conducted so far 25 plus offline workshops, and of course during this pandemic time we were focusing more on online workshop, because at the same time we want people to learn something, to do something creative while sitting at home. नहीं चाहती थी कि कुछ बोर हो, तो yes, we focused on offline workshops. Online workshops. So we have conducted 50 plus online workshops to focus more on creativity while people, they're sitting at home. And then of course last year was really tough when everybody was sitting at home because के पास कुछ करने को नहीं है. People, they get bored. So we thought of coming up with, especially, when you need to engage kids. So we've come up with the online competition for kids, which were theme based. We have, conducted around 7 contests, and through that we have, engaged 200 plus students through this platform, and there was 50 plus sponsors who sponsored the event, and kids really enjoyed. You should see that kids these days are so smart, and really good to see such things, coming up in our society as well. And then we had incorporated with the Tambola party to, engage employees as an employee engagement activity, and also for friends and family because they are really far, they cannot see each other. So of course I know people do video call and everything, but we thought, at the same time, why not add a fun element to it through this Tambola party? Yes, so we have engaged around 500 plus participants through this Tambola party, and people have really enjoyed it. And then we also come up with a innovative idea that since we can see a lot of artists, a lot of people who are very creative and so talented, so it was time to give back to the community. So we thought of coming out with a platform with the hashtag Unleash Your Creativity. So there were live Instagram sessions, every Wednesday where we have collaborated with more than 20 plus artists, and they have showcased their creativity skills, their talent through live sessions. And there were free sessions which everybody can join us on Instagram. And trust me guys, these artists are really talented. They have collaborated with us, and it was really a nice project which we have completed last year. Yes, and we'll be continuing with our live sessions very soon this year as well. And we are also, and I was honored to be a part of one competition. I was called as a judge, and which was conducted by Jammu Municipal Corporation for for spreading the awareness among the kids for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So it was really, good to see that how small children, they are already aware of this topic and they are doing great. They have come up with really innovative ideas in form of a painting, how they can do it. So yes, so this year was indeed tough, but at least we had a lot of learnings, a lot of changes which we have done in our system. So guys, we are continue to grow and we are striving for excellence through this tough time as well. So I would like to thank my Craft Playhouse team for supporting us through the thick and thin, and all our sponsors, our customer, our partner for showering their love and support during this journey. Thank you so much. Thanks to each one of you. You guys are truly a blessing. So guys, please keep showering your love, your blessings on us. You guys are our true strength. And last but not the least, just to mention, we have come up with hashtag creativity found contest as an anniversary special event, and we've got a really overwhelming response with 70 plus entries and 15 plus sponsors who have sponsored the event. You guys are really talented, I must say, looking at the entries, yes. And so stay tuned, we'll be announcing the results tomorrow. And guys, stay safe at home, please get vaccinated. We know that this time it's the need of the hour. Please spread the awareness, get your parents, get yourself vaccinated, and please stay safe at home. And I'm sure next year when we meet, Craft Playhouse will make a very bigger impact, and we will continue to come up with many innovative ideas and many platforms to engage you all in a very creative way. Till then, stay tuned and stay safe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.